video a segment special English about animal welfare. The question that we can ask about an animal welfare can be the question we ask about our own. What do we need to be happy? What makes us unhappy? Scientists may say that animal welfare is an ethical concern for the mental and physical well-being of animals under our care. Our ethical concerns shape how we think about a situation by telling us what is a right or what is a wrong. And we make this decision as a society. What is a group, ethnic, or important part of animal welfare? Because even if we know about the animal physical condition and well-being, we still have to make decisions about how we live and work with that animal. In animal welfare, we might think first about physical being, how healthy an animal is, but we also know that animals are sentient. This means they can experience their surrounding, feel pain, suffering, and even happiness. And enjoymental well-being is therefore an important aspect of welfare because it tells us how the animal feels about the situation. Animal welfare is similar too, but importantly, not the same thing as animal rights. Animal rights is human ethical sentence that question how society uses animals. Animal welfare is a scientific discipline which investigates the animal experience and feeling about it. There are five freedoms of animal welfare. 1. Freedom for thirst and hunger. 2. Freedom for discovery. 3. Freedom for pain, injury, and disease. 4. Freedom to express normal behavior. 5. Freedom for fear and distress.